Yeah, good. Mr. Nikhil, you are a very regular student of our class. I think you have been attending for the last 3 days. Now,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think you watched today's my video also, correct?
Yes,
About
sir. Yes, sir.
yeah, and can you tell me one or two points you learned out of that particular video? Did you watch it fully or you watched only a portion of it?
So fully I watched, sir,
Acha.
till
Can
end.
you tell me two points you learned out of that? I have told so many things in that video. Now, out of that, what are the points that you think are very important? One, from the angle of discharging of duties as a associated officer. Two, from the angle of getting success in this interview. Like that, some general points, whatever आपका मन में आता है उसके बारे में बता दीजिए.
So first of all, you talked about the job role,
Yeah.
which is very challenging, as you said, and there will be lot of challenges, and we have to face lot of rejection. We might feel dejected at some stage, but still we have to keep moving and keep our targets at the right place. So that's what I've learned, and sometimes we might face a lot of rejection as well. So and there can be some kind of discussion or kind of what to say, like the customers might get unhappy. So in that case we have to be patient, and we should not lose our anger. So those are the points that I have learned from the job role, that is like job role of this particular thing. So that's what I've learned.
Now, did you make efforts to know how many branches of Federal Bank are there in West Bengal?
Yes, sir. There are total 36 branches across West Bengal, sir.
Mostly, is there a branch in Siliguri?
Yes, sir. There is one branch in Siliguri, sir. It's a very good branch. I have visited also, sir. Regarding,
Acha, what
I
about
have
Darjeeling?
no, sir, not in Darjeeling, but in Siliguri there is one branch, sir. It's a very
Kidhar
good
hai?
branch, sir.
Oh, branch is situated in which road? My branch is
Sir,
situated in Hill Court Road,
yes,
Indian
yes,
Bank.
in Sevak Road, Hillcart Road, sir.
Yours also, your bank is also in the same road
Yes, sir.
because that is a very big road. It's a very
Yes, sir. So,
broad road.
actually, I have visited that particular branch also, sir. So I have one bank account. It's I don't have a full-fledged account of Federal Bank, but I have a bank account of Jupiter, which is a neo bank, sir. Neo bank.
Yeah, yeah, Neo
So
Bank.
the
Yeah.
Yes, sir. The account is opened through Federal Bank only. So when I was my KYC, I had to go for KYC purpose. So I visited the branch, and they resolved my problem with ease, sir. So
Can you tell me how did you open an account in a Neo Bank? Because majority of the candidates here, including myself, we are not that very familiar with opening an account with a Neo Bank. So please tell me what is the name of the company with which you opened FI5? What is that?
no, sir, Jupiter, sir, Jupiter. Sir, Federal
Jupiter.
Bank has two like tied up with two companies, that is Jupiter and FI Money. So I
Mm,
have opened up with Jupiter. So first of all, I installed the application. I came to know about this through social media only.
mhm.
So
So
I
which
just
application
install.
did you download it?
The name of the application is Jupiter, sir. Jupiter.
अच्छा अच्छा जुपिटर करके एक
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
um,
So, and you need to have a valid PAN card and Aadhaar card, address proof, and
mm,
you need to upload these documents. And after that, you will have a video KYC. One of the representative from the Federal Bank will contact you and ask for some basic details, and you need to tell them about those details. And after that, after getting verified, within 1 or 2 hours, it will get your account will get activated, sir. And for
oh,
debit card, the charges is 250 rupees, sir.
for debit card they charge 250
Yes, sir, per year,
per
annual
year.
fee charge. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very fine.
And there it's a zero balance account, sir. So,
And You are attached to which branch? Is it that you are attached to one branch like that, or you are attached to any branch?
Sir, it's not like yes, sir. It's with Siliguri branch only. It's attached with Siliguri branch.
Acha, acha.
Federal Bank
They
Siliguri
have
branch.
attached with nearby
Yes, sir.
branch.
Yes, a nearby branch.
Mostly you will be posted to that branch only, Siliguri
Yes, sir.
branch.
That will be good, sir. If they give that
Mostly,
particular
mostly
branch.
other
Yes,
things
sir.
remaining constant.
Yes, sir,
Now,
sir.
yeah, mm, we have been seeing some of the glossary terms yesterday and day before yesterday also.
Yes, sir.
Now, are you seeing on the screen Federal Bank now?
Yes, sir, sir.
So, what is given therein? Please read.
Sir, it says when compliance becomes a culture, quality becomes a habit.
Federal Bank celebrates.
Compliance, Federal Bank celebrates Compliance Officers Day, 26 September 2025.
Yeah, so this is one thing. If any interview is taking place around the 26th, this question can be asked. What do you
Okay.
understand by compliance?
So compliance means we need to follow the proper rules and regulations. We need to comply with the policies or the procedures, sir. So that has become a culture, and and quality becomes a habit, sir. That's what they have said in this quote.
Hmm, I think that girl has gone to Google Meet. I don't know.
So maybe
Um,
she got confused, I guess.
yeah, let me give this link to her 08 p.m. because she evinced interest.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I think she will come. Yeah. So now we were discussing about the compliance day. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now we were also studying some, say,
Glossary,
yesterday
sir.
glossary. We will continue with that glossary, some more important points, so that we take it as completed after today or tomorrow. We have done up to E. Na?
Yes, sir. Up to E.
Yeah. Now this is what we have to read. Why it's appearing so big? This is okay for us. Now, can you read this factoring? What is meant
Yes,
by
sir.
factoring? Yeah.
Factoring, a business of buying trade debts at a discount and making a profit when debt is realized, and also taking over collection of trade debts at agreed price.
See, factoring means it's a business. Factors, what they do, they supposing some X company has supplied goods to some Y company, and they are finding it difficult to recover the money from them. Then what X company will do, they will go and sell it to the factor at a discount. Say probably instead of 100 rupees, they will give it at 75 rupees or so. So the factor company will take it by paying 75. Subsequently, factor company will proceed against Y company and recover the money.
Okay, sir, got it. Sir, it will pay on my behalf. That means, right? So, bank or the factoring company will pay on my behalf and take some proportion of it.
Hmm? Yeah, yeah. The factoring company will try to recover the money. Yeah. 1 minute. She's not. He says she is not able to log in.
So we can just join directly. No need to
Right?
log in, I
It
guess.
must be possible for her. Yeah. Hello, Ayushi? Ayushi, are you having good internet speed in your house? No problem. Then you need not come. Then you need not come. You can watch the video afterwards. No problem. Take care. Because we you can't get you cannot log in. When inside a house and all where signal is low, it will not be possible for you to log in. So don't worry. There is one candidate has come. So I will continue with the class. Thank you. Yeah. So she is not coming. Now we will go for this question. Factoring, did you understand what I said?
Yes,
Uh,
sir. Yes, sir.
yeah. Now please read foreign banks.
Foreign banks. Banks incorporated outside India but operating in India and regulated by the Reserve Bank of India. Example, Barclays Bank, HSBC, Citibank, Standard Chartered Bank, etc.
Yeah, foreign. See, actually in India we have different types of banks. First type of bank is public sector banks. A public sector bank is one where the government has invested in capital 51% and above. Second thing is private sector, where the government participation is less than 50%, or it can be nil also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then we have one more type of banks known as regional rural banks. These are sponsored by public sector banks, and they the central government has given 50% capital to that, and state government has given 15% capital, 1 5. Balance 35% has been invested by the sponsoring bank. This RRBs, you must be aware of it because you must have seen in IBPS advertisement. I think even now the last date is due, na? Or today is last date over. I think last
So I
date for
think over.
over,
Sir,
na?
RRB. Yes,
Ah,
over, I guess. Over.
yeah. Did you apply for that? No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अच्छा वेस्ट बंगाल में कितना वैकेंसी दिया है
So, I have not seen that, sir.
विदाउट लुकिंग इनटू दैट यू अप्लाइड अच्छा कोई बात नहीं नो प्रॉब्लम गुड यू अप्लाइड फॉर पीओ और क्लब
Sir, both, sir.
वेरी गुड एक्सलेंट so but here in bank RRB recruitment first you have prelims which has only maths and reasoning and questions
Yes,
are
sir.
really tough also. And because the number of vacancies are low, the cutoff sometimes goes about 70 marks out of 80. And
Yes, sir. Especially in West Bengal, cutoff was very high.
yeah, so you must prepare. So I have told you about public sector, private sector, then RRB. Next, we have one type of bank known as small finance banks. Small finance banks, India, we have about 11 small finance banks. For
Yes, sir.
starting a small finance banks, we have to have capital of 200 crores. And we have one more type of banks known as payment banks. India, right now, we have 6 payment banks, like Airtel Payment Bank, First Payment Bank to start, then Geo Payment Bank, then Paytm Payment Bank, then India Post Payment Bank, like that. Two more are there. Okay.
Okay.
For starting payment banks, the minimum capital required is 100 crores only. See, the object of small finance banks is to see that the priority sector advances are increased. Right now, small finance banks have been asked to give 60% and above of their advances to priority sector. Means 8 sectors like agriculture, housing, education, export, MSME, then small business, then renewable energy, followed by infrastructure. Now, for the same priority sector, banks like Federal Bank and other public sector banks have been asked to give 40% of their total advances to them. Then, after this payment banks, sorry, small finance bank and this payment banks, what the small finance bank do all business like receiving deposits, making advances, giving debit card. They don't give credit cards and they don't do foreign exchange business. The payment banks, what they can do, they can only take deposits from public up to 2 lakhs per individual.
Okay,
And
sir.
what will they do with the money? They are supposed to invest in government securities and then pay interest on them. They are not supposed to give credit cards. They can issue debit cards, but not credit cards. They are not supposed to make any loans at all. That is payment bank. Apart from this, in India, we have cooperative banks. Then primary agricultural credit societies like that, these are there. And apart from that, we have multani bankers or bankers who are not authorized, like say Baniawala, those who give money on credit and all that. Plus, we also have one more organization known as NBFC, non-banking
Yes, sir.
finance companies. Okay,
Okay, sir.
very good. And this foreign banks, what are they? These foreign banks, they have their head office outside the country, but they
Okay.
get license from Reserve Bank for opening a branch. So that is the definition of what is that? Foreign banks. Could you follow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, please read this one. Forfeiting.
Forfeiting. In international trade, when an exporter finds it difficult to realize money from the importer, he sells the right to receive money at a discount to a forfeiter who undertakes inherent political and commercial risk to finance the exporter, of course, with assumption of a profit in.
This is similar to factoring.
Yes, sir.
Similar to factoring. Factoring happens in the case of internal debt, domestic debt.
Domestic. Yes, sir.
Here, this one takes place normally in foreign debt. Please read it once again. Forfeiting.
Forfeiting. In international trade, when an exporter finds it difficult to realize money from the importer, he sells the right to receive money at a discount to a forfeiter who undertakes inherent political and commercial risk to finance the exporter, of course, with assumption of a profit in.
Good. Now, after FG, प्लीज रीड अच्छा अच्छा एफ का बाद ऊपर में भी है फोर्जरी प्लीज रीड
Forgery.
फोर्जरी
Forgery. When a material alteration is made on a document or negotiable instrument like a check to change the mandate of the drawer with intention to defraud.
फोर्जरी के बारे में बोलने का जरूरत नहीं
Yes, sir.
एवरीबडी नोस बाबा I mean, no state is exempted in this. Everybody is selfish. Yeah, continue. Garnishi order.
Garnish order. When a court directs a bank to attach the funds to the credit of customer's account under provision of Section 60 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908.
So actually, whenever a person A owes money to B, he is not repaying properly within the 3 years from the date of execution of the DPR. B goes to the court, files suit, get a decree, and he goes to the court to execute the decree. While executing decree, he will tell that Mr. A has got bank account with so and so bank. This is the account number. Please attach the funds available in that account. And then the court will issue a garnishee order. On receipt of that garnishee order, bank will not permit Mr. A to withdraw money from the account. Okay,
Okay, sir.
please read this general lien.
General lien. A right of the creditor to retain possession of all goods given in security to him by the debtor for any outstanding debt.
For example, let us take an example of, say, a person has got gold loan. He is adjusting gold loan. But at the same time, what happens? There is an overdraft NPA account, more than 90 days due, and he has not repaid it, and that money is owing from him. Then bank can refuse to release the gold to him, stating, "You please adjust our dues under this NPA, then only we will release it." This right to retain is known as a lien. Continue.
Guarantee. A contract between guarantor and beneficiary to ensure performance of a promise or discharge the liability of a third person. If promise is broken or not performed, the guarantor pays contracted amount to the beneficiary.
Let us take a case of, say, you go to the government of West Bengal for agreeing to do some project work. And the government of West Bengal will tell you, please give us a guarantee for about 10 crores. Then only we will give this work to you. You will approach the bank and request the bank to give a guarantee in favor of the government of West Bengal, stating that in case Mr. So and so is not performing this particular task, they will give all the details. By this date, to your satisfaction, government of West Bengal can invoke the guarantee and ask the bank to pay the money to it. And why bank is doing it? Bank is doing it because they will get some margin money from you. If they are giving 10 crores guarantee, they will take at least 1 crore deposit from you or 2 crore deposit from you, or take some additional security of some house property or something like that to satisfy themselves that you really deserve this guarantee being given. And once that is done, and you may ask why banks are giving guarantees. Guarantees are given because bank will be charging commission on this. Supposing the transaction goes correctly, that Nikhil is performing the contract properly, no claim is made on the bank, then for it, it is fully advantageous for the bank, because it would have received a commission for 10 crores. Maybe they would have taken roughly 10 lakhs or so. I'm not sure. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, please read holder in due course.
Holder in due course, a person who receives a negotiable instrument for value before it was due and in good faith without notice of any defect in it, he is called holder in due course as per Negotiable Instrument Act.
First point you must remember, the famous act known as Negotiable Instruments Act 1881. Even now, that is the act that is in use. Okay.
Okay, sir.
According to that, check, bill of exchange, and promissory notes are considered as negotiable instruments. What is a negotiable instrument? Say, like a check. See, in these cases, the title to that check will pass on by simply delivery if it is a bearer check. See, in the case of watch or pen or flask, when you are giving it to somebody else, you must give it after receiving money from him or give him as a gift. There will be a proper document for that. Whereas in the case of a negotiable instrument, no such document is required. The title will get passed on to the second beneficiary automatically. So that is the advantage of negotiable instruments, namely check, bill of exchange, and also promissory note.
Note.
Very good. Now read this one, hypothecation.
Hypothecation. Charges against property of an amount of debt where neither ownership nor possession is passed to the creditor. In pledge, possession of property is passed on the lender, but in hypothecation, the property remains with the borrower in the trust for the lender.
This hypothecation takes place normally in the case of car loan,
Yes,
auto
sir, yes, sir.
loan, where the the vehicle stays under the custody of the borrower. Ownership is also with the borrower, but he has executed a document favoring the bank. Bank will take the document to the registrar office RTO and get the same entered in the RC book so that he cannot sell it to others. But ASAB, for people who are doing business correctly, those who are doing defrauding business, वो लोग क्या करेगा? They will change the RC book itself, details itself. They will take the vehicle, steal the vehicle from one state, take it to another state, and then sell it. That and all. They will change the number. All they will corrupt the person who is registering the vehicles and get things done. But for genuine people, this is the right method. Bank has given money to car owners on hypothecation on the understanding bank has a right to take possession of the car in case he fails to repay the money. If after it is becoming NPA, it can take possession under Surface Act, SAR, FAESI Act. But all this is only for information for you, not very much useful immediately in your work in the branch because you will be required to do mainly current account and savings account plus fixed deposit and other things. Not much of loan at this stage. But this
Sir, will
knowledge
I?
will, yeah,
Yes, yes, sir. Will I get a chance to sell other products as well, like mutual
yeah, yeah,
funds and all?
after some time, or
Okay, sir.
even during your present times, you are going to ask somebody to open a current account. He opens and he says, "Sir, why don't you arrange for an over cash credit for me? Why don't you arrange for a car loan for me?" If he says, you can take the lead from that and introduce him to your branch.
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good. 1 minute. UBI result has come. What is that? List of provisionally selected for the post of assistant manager. Uh, credit. Oh, this has come, list has come now. How many people they have selected? About 250 people. Okay, nice. Now Siva Kumar is joining us. Siva Kumar is joining us now. Yeah. Now I was showing you about this one glossary. I'll show you again to you. Yeah. So we were discussing about hypothecation, Nikhil.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good.
Yes, sir.
Now
So there'll be charges as well, right? For hypothecation, we have to pay some charges, I guess.
hypothecation, see, it will be executed on a stamp paper, stamped paper, and for getting the charge entered in the RTO books, you have to pay some charges. Just as vehicle registration, you have to pay charges. For taking driving license, you have to pay charges. For this also, you have to pay charges. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
as far as this job is concerned, driving is a must. So in interviews, if they ask you, do you have a driving license? You show them your license. If they ask you, do you enjoy driving? You must say yes. While it may be difficult for in a place like Darjeeling and all to drive the vehicle. Two wheeler, can you drive in Darjeeling?
Yes, sir. Sir. I come to Darjeeling, go to Siliguri, sir. I do up down by my two-wheeler only.
Acha, great, Baba.
It has become a habit, sir. I can drive also, sir, four-wheeler.
Oh, Gaga, great, 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 great. I am happy. But I had in mind that Delhi girl, it is difficult to drive two-wheeler in Delhi, especially during winter and summer. Extreme
Yes, sir.
climates. Not only that, number of vehicles are more. Okay. So in such cases, the candidate should tell, I know driving, I enjoy driving. You should tell. While in reality, you need not drive. You may take a two-wheeler, you may take an auto and go, or you may take a public transport and go and not worry about it. Understand?
So is this a completely field job? Like, do I have to
Yeah.
visit branches also
100,
sometimes, or like totally
100%,
outside?
100% field level job. Maybe you will ask to report to branch every day morning. Hello. The manager
Yes, I
may
guess.
talk to you and give you some suggestions. If he
Okay,
has
sir.
some idea about somebody showing interest in opening an account, then he will give that details to you. So that with those details and the opening forms, you will go and meet that party.
If if I'm like I am at a branch, then some customers are coming into the branch. So can I reach them also? Or
Yeah, yeah, why not? But it depends on your boss. If the boss
yes,
is cantankerous, he will say no, no. But you can do it after becoming friendly with them.
yes, I sir.
See, after all, you are interested in reaching target for the branch only and for
Yes,
you
sir.
only. Yeah. Now we will go to Mr. Siva Kumar. Siva Kumar, is he there or not?
Yes, sir. And
Siva Kumar, please
yes, sir.
read identification.
Identification. When a person provides a document revealing his identity or is being identified by another person who is known to the bank, it is called identification. Banks ask for identification before paying an order check an order check or a demand draft across the counter.
See, normally in the case of order check, nowadays we don't pay cash and all. We always ask people to route it through their account only. But this has been written some years back. When you pay cash, if it is a small amount, only 50 to 200, say 500 or not 500 and all, they will not ask introduction. Supposing it is 5,000, 10,000, then they may take an introduction from a person who is known to the bank. That means a person who is already having an account, and then using that introduction they may give. Now, what do you do now in HDFC, Siva Kumar? Do you pay order checks over the counter, or you ask
No, no,
them to
sir.
route? Tell me.
Yes, sir. I'm only sales executive, sir.
Acha, acha. You are sales executive.
Yes, sir.
That means you are not at all sitting in the counter for making payment of
No,
cash
no,
and
sir.
all. No.
No, sir.
But what others are doing, are you able to watch?
Yes, sir. I watch, sir.
So, what is your 1 day tenure? At what time you will start from your home?
Sir, it's one way to approximately once a year, sir.
No, 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 no. I am asking at what time you will go to the office every day.
Sir, I'm going to operate at 9 or 9:30, sir.
What will you do by sitting in the branch? You say you are a sales representative and you are sitting in the branch till 7:30. Why?
So today I have a Teams call, sir. ZBM call, sir. Because I am
AGM.
leaving the
Pardon?
ZBM journal head call, sir.
Acha, acha. What did he say? Don't tell the secret,
Uh,
but tell something other than that.
no, sir. He said half quarterly ending, sir. Last 4 days.
Hmm. So your
Below the
performance,
target.
how
No, sir.
are you
Entire
below the
team, sir.
target? Huh?
Yes, sir. I'm able to target, sir. I'm achieve the target, sir, this month.
Acha, you have reached the target.
Yes, sir. I reached the 15 files, sir. My target is only 10 file.
Uh,
My achievement is 15 files, sir, till now.
Acha, good. Acha, for you, it is canvassing for loans only, na?
Yes, sir. Loans, sir. Personal loans and business loans.
How many personal loans did you canvass?
So minimum 4 files, sir.
Every day, 4 files you are trying to get.
Yes, sir.
How do you get new files?
So minimum 50% branch walk-in, sir. And another two is my YMO calling, data calling, sir. So data
No,
calling,
no.
sir.
Acha, acha, no. You have to work in the branch also.
Yes, sir. Work in the branch also, sir.
What will you do in the branch?
Data calling, sir.
Data calling means?
Internal data calling, sir. Internal customers accounts.
Hmm. So, Nikhil,
Data
you
calling
had a
and
doubt, you know. Nikhil, you had a doubt. That is why I
Yes,
asked
yes, sir.
this question. That is why I asked this question. So, with the internal data means, please explain. I don't follow you clearly.
internal data means internal salary accounts, sir.
Hmm. వాడికి
Internal
ఫోన్
salary.
చేస్తున్నారా? You'll be
Yes, sir.
making
అంటే
calls to.
వాళ్ళకి వాళ్ళకి లోన్స్ అనేది ఆఫర్ అయి ఉంటాయి సార్. ప్రీ అప్పుడు ఆఫర్స్ వచ్చి ఉంటాయి.
Hmm.
వాళ్ళకి మనకి కాల్ చేసి ఆఫర్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం, కన్విన్స్ చేసి లోన్ డిస్బర్స్ చేయడం సార్.
Nikhil, he is telling for him it is major is canvassing for personal loans and another loan. What did you say?
బిజినెస్ లోన్స్.
Business loans. So, in the case of personal loans, he will be going through the salary accounts available at the branch, and based in they will be having some approved sanction limit based on the salary of the person concerned. Using that information, he will try to contact the party over phone by sitting at the branch. Will you use a bank phone or your own cell phone?
My own cell phone, sir.
For your cell phone, bank is paying charges?
My own cell phone. No,
Uh,
sir. It's you incentive, sir.
The only incentive they will give, they won't bear
Yes,
the
sir.
telephone charges.
Yes, sir.
It's
You are
only there
using,
in government sector, public sector banks, sir. They are paying.
yeah. Public sector banks will pay for the manager and assistant manager, not for others. Maybe for officers they are paying, I don't know. Now, in your case, HDFC, um, you are using Airtel or Geo.
Airtel, sir.
Oh, good. Now you have taken yearly plan or what?
No, sir. Quarterly plan, 6 months plan, sir. Half yearly plan.
Half yearly plan. How much rupees?
789 rupees, sir.
That means only calls.
No, sir. 2 GB data per day.
789 appears to be very low. You are telling a wrong figure. Now the
Last
yearly figure is 3,500 rupees or so. Hello?
no,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It
It has
it
become
is
very costly. This.
it
Yeah.
is 3 months. 3 months, sir. It is 3 months charges.
It may be 3 months.
Yes, sir.
You
Sir.
know,
Maybe 3 months.
it may be 3 months. You see, I am having Airtel only. I am having 225 days left. You know how much I paid? 4,000 rupees. This
It's
is
yearly, sir.
yearly. This is a international roaming pack. 100 calls I can make from anywhere in the world. I can make 100 SMS. I will have 5 GB data. But there is one more number I have. It was 1,999 for 1 year internal. But now has it been revised? What is the rate now? Yeah, now also it is there. So this is, but only 24 GB balance eligible. But 1 GB data plan and all, it will be different. I will check it up afterwards. No problem. So now we were
Sir,
discussing about identification. Yeah, tell me,
sir,
Nikhil.
sir, one question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, if we get selected as associate officer in federal bank, so will we be able to give exams like JIB and CIB?
Yes. I think they will permit you
Yes, sir.
because
Sir,
you are
and
taken as an
one more.
employee.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So it is under probation, sir, for 1 year.
I know. Probation 1 year. And after that, you'll become a regular employee. But even then, there is not
Yes,
much
sir.
of a difference nowadays. Even during probation, they deduct some NPS charges, National Pension Scheme or New Pension Scheme. They will deduct all those things from your salary.
Yes, sir. Sir, one more thing regarding salary, sir. They have mentioned in the notification that it ranges from 4.5 lakhs to 6 point something lakhs, but the salary is coming like extremely low, sir, to around 30,000, sir. So how
No,
is it like? What kind of?
that is in Tamil Nadu.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
So after
For AP
deducting,
Telangana, sir.
Telangana, I don't know how much it will be. It is what they give only, Baba. You see, in the appointment order itself, what did they tell you? No, they told you'll get 4.10, not 4.59, 4.10. Then, after joining the branch, they are telling it is only 30,000 now. And this is the net pay you will get. And you will get the balance if you reach incentive, something like that they are telling. We are agreeing to go and join there. One. because you will get practical job experience, which will help you to join some other public sector banks in scale 1 or scale 2 after 3 years. In sales job only, easily. There the competition will be less. But in public sector, for regular jobs like probationary officer, clerical jobs, the competition is very high. It is difficult to get that many high marks. Do you follow Nikhil and Shivakumar?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understand.
Yeah.
Sir, one question, sir. So one question regarding this federal bank only, sir. Since I am a master student, so this year the notification came around April, so my course was like ongoing, so I couldn't fill up the form. So, while if I get selected, next year if the notification rolls out for the PO, will I be eligible to apply for that
Yeah, yeah, very
PO
much,
as
very
well?
much. You are
Sir,
eligible for applying for PO.
sir, will it be sales only or some other
This is
department?
100% sales only.
Sir, if I move to PO,
PO, that will be 50% desk job, 50% canvassing job. There also they have targets. Instead of their
okay, sir.
giving you 22 accounts, they may give 10 accounts.
Okay, sir.
Even there it is there, and you must reach the targets. And even if you don't reach the targets, you should not fight with the boss. You should smile at the boss when he says you are useless. Would you follow what I said now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And
Sir,
this
target is very reasonable or tough target, sir?
reasonable, that is 22 accounts in a month. And in
HDFC
that regard,
very tough
H-
target, sir.
HDFC, what is the target for deposit canvassing?
Minimum 30, sir. Daily one.
Oh, daily one. Here 22, because number of working days is only 25 or 26. And Sivakumar,
Yes, sir.
మీకు target reach
Sir.
అవ్వలేదండి. If you are not reaching target, what type of archana your manager will be doing for you?
Warning letter, sir. Continually 3 months target will not achieve with give warning letter, sir.
Warning letter itself, acha? No shouting and all.
Yes, sir. No, no,
Warning
sir.
letter.
But shouting it personally, sir.
Personally shouting. How many
Yes, sir.
minutes every day?
Minimum half an hour, sir, 30 minutes.
Nikhil,
It's a daily routine, sir.
daily routine. Nikhil,
Yes, sir.
are
Yes, sir.
you
Yes, sir.
are you following? I am not threatening you, but be
Yes, sir.
ready.
Yes, sir.
Be ready.
Sir,
Nikhil,
like if we don't achieve the target, sir, if we don't achieve the target, will they terminate? Can they have
no,
the
that is
power to
what they said.
terminate?
No, that's what they said. If you are not reaching targets for 6 months continuously,
Yes, sir. They
Yes,
will
sir.
termination letter, sir. It's give termination letter.
no, but in Federal Bank they told that you will be given some extension and time and given some extra training. That's what they say, but it will all depend on case to case basis. For
Yes, sir.
Sivakumar, they may not do anything. They will agree because Sivakumar will not speak against the manager. He will just listen, smile, and come out. But
Yes,
Nikhil,
sir.
if he is going to talk back, they will give warning and they will take action. You must know how to talk pleasingly to your manager, though he is not pleasing.
Okay,
Every
sir.
day I spoke to man. Every day I spoke to manager, sir. Today I will do, sir. Today I will do, sir. Every day. Today end of the day I confirmly I will do, sir. Today end of the day I confirm I do, sir.
Yeah, and at the end of the day, if at all you are able to achieve, you can feel proud and go and tell him, sir, today's target, today I could reach 3 accounts, sir. Very happy, sir. And like that, you should tell. And he may not listen to you, but still you should tell. Nikhil, could you follow me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, I am sure you must be having a lot of experience. Your mummy must have been scolding you every now and then, huh? Nahi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, daily,
So
sir.
daily. So take that warning accordingly and go. Be ready to accept Archana's বুঝতে পারছেন তো বলুন
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
বুঝতে পারছেন
Yes, sir.
ঠিক আছে আমি একটু বলবো না কেন আপনি বলবেন আমি ইন্টারভিউ যাবে না Aishamapi, you will tell. If I tell more, you will say, no, no, I will not go for this interview. Huh? Yeah, who was reading it? Sivakumar, read. IFSC.
Sir, Siva Kumar left.
अच्छा नेट कट हो गया होगा. Now you read IFSC.
IFSC Indian Financial System Code is an 11-digit alphanumeric letter and numbers code that help identify bank branches. The first four number represent the bank's code alphabetic. The first number is a control character 0 and the next six numbers denote a bank branch. For example, the IFSC for Federal Bank Limited NMLE branch reads as FDRL 0001 002. This code is mentioned on your check. Different banks mention it at different places on the check.
Yeah, there is no uniformity in this regard. Different time places they are giving it. This is IFSC code. This is an interview question. How many digits are there in IFSC code? You should tell 11 alphanumerical codes. That means it will have ABCD alphabet. It will also have numbers. So this is a very favorite question in interviews. How many digits are there for IFSC code? 11. How many digits are there for MICR code? 9. How many digits are there on a debit card? 16. How many digits are there on a credit card? 16. How many digits are there on a CVV, card verification value? 3. So this type
3.
of questions they used to ask. Okay, very good.
Okay, sir.
Now, insolvent. Please read insolvent.
Insolvent. Insolvent is a person who is unable to pay his debts as they mature, as his liabilities are more than the asset. Civil courts declare such person insolvent. Banks do not open accounts of insolvent persons as they cannot enter into contract as per law.
Yeah, because an undischarged insolvent is not having capacity to contract. See, the contracts with minor is not valid. Minor means one who is aged 18 years and less. Contracts with lunatics is not valid. Contracts with mad people is not valid. That is lunatics. Similarly, contract with a drunkard person is also not valid. Similarly, an insolvent is also having no right for contract. But they say after 12 years that insolvency will lapse and again he can operate the accounts. He gets the rights. For 12 years he will not have right. But these fellows, what they do, instead of if he is declared insolvent in Rama Rama name, he will go and tell himself as Krishna Krishna and open another account and they will dodge the people also. That is how thousands of frauds are taking place throughout the country and throughout the world. Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
Please read international banking.
International banking involves more than two nations or countries. If an Indian bank has branches in different countries like State Bank of India, it is said to be international banking.
Yeah. State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, I think they have international banking. Then
Yes, sir.
joint account. Please read.
When two or more individuals jointly open an account with a bank.
That is A and B, A, B, C, A, B, C, D. All of them can join account and open an account. The normal famous type of account is either or survivor, A and B, in which case A can operate, B can also operate. But in case one dies, the other person can operate. Then A, B, and C, anyone or survivors or survivor, A or B or C can operate. And if one of them dies, the other, anyone can open the account. But there is one more account known as F or S, former or survivor. Here, former or survivor A and B, as long as A is alive, A only can operate the account and B cannot operate the account. After the death of A, B can operate the account. That is known as former or survivor. Continue. Kiosk. Sorry, Karta.
Karta, manager of Hindu Undivided Family (HUF), who handles the family business. He is usually the eldest male member of the undivided family.
Yeah. That is normally male member, but nowadays I think there are court decisions for having Hindu undivided family, female also as Karta. I'm not sure. Let me ask our perplexity. India, Hindu undivided family, Karta, can a female be Karta? I am asking. See, now it has changed. Yes, female can legally be Karta of Hindu family in India. This right has been recognized following significant judicial decisions and legal reforms, especially after the Hindu Succession Act 2005, which granted daughters equal co-personary rights by birth. I am sharing the link of this in our WhatsApp group. New New Federal Bank. Okay,
Okay, sir.
this is a new piece of information. So, um, new piece of information. But what is given here is not correct. That is, in the glossary, they have stated only male member. This was written some 25, 30 years ago. They have not changed it. Then read this kiosk banking.
Kiosk banking, doing banking from a cubicle from which food, newspaper, tickets, etc. are also sold.
Now, KYC norms.
KYC norms. Know your customer norms are imposed by RBI on banks and other financial institutions to ensure that they know their customers and to ensure that customers deal only in legitimate banking operations and not in money laundering or fraud.
Yeah, this we have discussed earlier also about what are
Yes,
the
sir.
documents required and all. Very good. So we have come only up to K. Oh, Baba. Okay, we'll stop with this today. We'll meet again tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow is second Saturday or so? What is the tomorrow? Fourth Saturday, Naka.
Fourth Saturday, sir.
Fourth Saturday. Then I will
Yes, sir.
ask. I will ask Shiva Kumar whether he can come at. Okay, we will have regularly at 8 o'clock. That's better. Come at 8. No problem. Enjoy.
Okay, sir.
You be reading.
Okay, sir.
And
Thank
I
you.
think you may have to prepare for other exams. Please prepare.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Thank you so much. Best wishes. Bye. I will post it in our group and share it only for our members. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.